How to unpublish or hide your Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unpublish or hide your Facebook page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can just tap on the drop down arrow just beside your name. And here once you tap on it, on the pop-up menu that appears, you will see the list of the pages that you have created so far. So here just select the pages that you want to unpublish. And now here, once you have switched to the page that you want to unpublish, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen again. And now here from the pop-up menu, you simply have to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and there under your information, you'll see the option labeled as access and control. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, you'll see the option labeled as unpublished page. So just select it and tap on continue. And now here with that, you can just tap on confirm. And once you do it, it will be unpublished. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.